Hi students, this is Mr. Denault, and I'm going to be explaining the program that you're going to be working on this week. It's called Guess a Number. Very simple program. It has 4 components. Okay. The first one is a label header. This just simply says Guess a Number. It records the name of the game, that's all. The next one is a text box. Okay, right here. This is a text box, and this is going to allow user input to input a number that they're going to be guessing. And then the third component is a label that's just going to output information like your guess is too high, or your guess is too low, or correct. All right. And then finally you have a button. This is a button right here. And when you click on that, it's going to guess and tell you whether or not you're too high or too low. It's as simple as that. Okay. And then the code for this program is here. This is all the code for the program. Very simple. All right. The event is the button guess, what happens when you click it. And this is a variable, okay, that's going to randomly generate a number between 1 and 100 on the computer. Simple as that. Okay, I'd like to take a moment now. I'm using the emulator that comes with the program. So let me take a quick guess here. I'm going to guess 50, and then click on the guess number. It's going to say I need a bigger number. So the number is between 50 and 100. So let me guess 75. Guess 75. Smaller number, so now I know the numbers between 50 and 75. So I'm going to go with 62 and guess. So it needs to be smaller, so it's between 50 and 62. So I'm going to guess 56. 56. Smaller number, so it's between 50 and 56. So I'm going to guess 53. I need to go smaller, so I'm going to guess 52. 52 is the correct number. So as you can see from the code right here, once the correct number is guessed from this line right here, it automatically resets to a random number between 1 and 100 again. So now you can just simply continue. So I'm not going to play the whole thing again, but I'll start off at 50 again and click guess. And I need to go bigger. So again, the numbers between 50 and 100, and so on and so on. And then you just record the number of guesses it took you to guess the number, and you can play with somebody else. And that's pretty much all it is. I want to draw your attention to a couple of things here. Make sure that you change the title property of screen 1. A lot of you are just submitting your program, and it all it says here is screen 1. We need to change that. Okay. So you just simply click on screen 1 and scroll down to the title property and change that to guess a number. The other thing is that you need to center align your components. You do that by clicking on screen 1 and change the align horizontal to center, and do the same thing for the text box. Change the text align to center so that when you type in a number, it's center aligned. Okay, and the same thing for this label. Center align your text as well. So make sure everything's centered, and then you should be good to go. So that's the program for this week. It needs to be submitted on Friday, May 29th, and I wish everybody the best of luck. Thanks for watching.